Acid. What is acid? I want to start with example. Look at this. What is this? This is hydrochloric acid. This is sulfuric acid. This is nitric acid. This is acetic acid. This is carbonic acid. Okay, all these are acid. This is actually I am writing molecular formula of different acid. These are some example of acid. Now we cannot write acid HCl, H2SO4, SNO3 in examination. How to define acid? What is acid? Have you noticed this? In all these acids, there is common matter. What? Hydrogen. Each of the acid contains hydrogen, and this hydrogen can be replaced by a metal. Like just for example, zinc can replace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and forms zinc chloride, and hydrogen gas is also released. This means not only hydrochloric acid, in case of sulfuric acid also zinc can replace this hydrogen, or not only zinc, other metal like calcium or magnesium can displace this hydrogen. It means all the acids have one common matter. What is it? Hydrogen. All acid contains hydrogen atom or atoms which can be replaced or which can be displaced by a metal or a radical which behaves like a metal. Radical which behaves like a metal means, just for example, ammonium radical acts like a metal. This is one point we have to remember. Acid contains atoms, replaceable atoms. Now next thing, this acid whenever placed in water, then what is seen? Just for example, hydrochloric acid is when dissolved in water, then it dissociates into hydrogen ion, and this is chloride ion. Not chlorine ion, chloride ion. In the same way, if sulfuric acid is placed in water, then sulfuric acid dissociates into hydrogen ion. Here we have two atoms, that's why hydrogen ion and sulfate ion. And in the same way, look at this, another one, nitric acid, HNO3. When it dissociates into hydrogen ion and nitrate ion. In the same way, this is acetic acid, CS3COOS. It dissociates into CS3COO. This is acetate ion along with hydrogen ion. And this carbonic acid, H2CO3, it dissociates into hydrogen ion and carbonate ion. Look at this. What is common in these cases? When acid dissolves in water, it forms hydrogen ion. This is the identification of acid. I told you two identification of acid. What? One is acid contains hydrogen atom or atoms. Another one, it gives hydrogen ion. Looking at this, we can define acid this way. Acid is a compound containing replaceable hydrogen atom or atoms and gives hydrogen ion when dissolves in water. This way we can define an acid. Okay. Now we are talking a little more about the acid. Acid is of two types. One is called organic acid, another is called inorganic acid. Organic acid means the acid which are obtained from the body of living organism are called organic acid. But the acid which is obtained from the minerals of the earth crust is called inorganic acid. Now I want to take some example. Look at this. Citric acid. Citric acid. This citric acid can be obtained from lemon, orange, etc. Now another acetic acid. I'm talking about organic acid. Acetic acid, actually vinegar, obtained from vinegar. And another, tartaric acid, it is obtained from pomelo. Lactic acid, it is obtained from sour milk. Sour milk, curd, etc. And ascorbic acid, this ascorbic acid is actually vitamin C. This is actually vitamin C, and it is obtained in, it can be obtained from guava, papaya, red pepper, etc. These are some example of organic acid. Why I am taking example of organic acid? Because organic acid, no more will study about them, and that's why this much is enough. The acids which are obtained from the body of living organism is organic acid. These are some example, and inorganic acid we'll learn a lot later, and that's why we'll talk about inorganic acid in next class. Okay, this much for today.